This is my dad's favorite thing in the tool. It's called the drill press. And when I'm turning it on, my dad's not using it. I'm using it. This is my second time using it. Let's see what I did.
You'll note he's wearing his safety glasses. He's got clamps holding his workpiece in place. He's keeping his fingers far away from the bit and the chuck.
There you go. Let's see what I did. I did this. I got screw.
All right. Good job, buddy.
Okay, let's do this. Give me the clamp. Give me one clamp.
Okay.
These are pain. These are pain in the butt.
A little bit, but they're important. Other way.
Oh.
Okay.
Now I'm going to turn on the drill press, Mommy and Tori. Oh, yeah! This is what's my favorite tool.
Okay.
Turn off the drill press.
Good job.
I got a little scratch from the drill press, but that's okay. I'll give Brian these pain in the butts, clamps. There's such pain in the butts.
Okay.
Let's see what I did.
You're quite the showman.
I did this again.
Good job. All right. Anything you want to say before I turn this off?
I use the drill press a lot. And I love the drill press because it's so noisy and fun. I'm serious. I'm very serious.
Okay.